Hello and welcome to Kilgore International. In this video, we'll walk you through how to operate a Darwin simulation mannequin when it's installed on an A-Dec torso unit. To learn more about our full line of dental simulation products, visit us anytime at kilgoreinternational.com. Let's begin with one of the most important features, the swivel joint. Never adjust the mannequin by grabbing the head or ears. Always use the adjustment handle. To reposition the head, give the handle a quarter turn upward to loosen. You can now move the mannequin freely in any direction. Once in position, turn the handle back a quarter turn to lock it in place. Keep in mind, these handles are spring-loaded, so no need to force them. To install a Kilgore model into the Darwin head, you'll notice the model includes two plates, an upper and lower Darwin plate. Keep the model occluded and carefully guide the two alignment holes onto the guide pins inside the mannequin. Start by engaging the upper magnet first. Once secured, allow the lower jaw to drop naturally. This will connect to the lower magnet. The lower magnet is intentionally weaker, allowing you to easily check occlusion. When ready, simply let the jaw settle back into place. To remove the model from the Darwin head, do not pull on the model from the upper arch. The top magnet is very strong, and doing so could damage the system. First, open the top of the Darwin head to reveal the ejector pin. Press the pin to safely release the model. The lower magnet will automatically catch and hold the model, preventing it from falling. From here, you can safely remove your model from the Darwin head. To attach a rubber cheek sheet, start on one side near the ear, locating the 4 pre-punched holes. Loop the holes around the rubber dam pins on the upper arch. As you reach the opposite ear, lift the lower jaw to expose the magnet. Loop the final hole around the pin, then let the jaw fall back into place. This setup enhances simulation realism and better prepares students for clinical scenarios. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the features and proper operation of your Darwin simulation mannequin on an A-Dec torso unit. For more information on our patient education models, school curriculum systems, and simulation tools, visit us at kilgoreinternational.com. At Kilgore International, we elevate dental education through high-quality patient simulation. Have a great day, and we look forward to connecting with you again soon.